A textile production flowchart visually represents the processes involved in the textile production industry. Here is a general flowchart for textile production, covering the key stages. Fiber production. Natural fibers: cotton, wool, silk, etc. Synthetic fibers: polyester, nylon, etc. Yarn production. Fiber cleaning and opening, carding, spinning, winding. Fabric production. Weaving, preparation, warping, sizing, weaving, loom operations, knitting, non-woven techniques, dyeing and printing. Dyeing fiber, yarn, fabric, or garment dyeing. Printing, screen printing, digital printing. Finishing. Mechanical finishing, calendaring, sanforizing. Chemical finishing, waterproofing, flame retardancy. Garment manufacturing. Cutting, stitching, embellishments. Quality control. Inspection, testing durability, color fastness. Packaging and distribution. Folding, packing, shipment.